Today we're going to walk you through how to do a super simple drain and refill for your hot tub. To begin, you want to make sure the power is off to the hot tub, so find your breakers, shut them off, or unplug your cord if it's 110. The first option is to use the drain right on your hot tub. First, move your steps out of the way and locate the very front of the tub where your controls are. Go all the way to the bottom, and on the base there should be a little black drain where you can go ahead and remove the cap. A lot of these drains have a valve on the side, so you can easily shut off and turn on the water once you get a hose attached. So make sure to locate if yours has a valve or not. Let it drain straight out, or as Derek here is doing, he's attaching his garden hose so he can run the water anywhere he wants in his yard. The second option is by far the quickest. We're going to show you how to use a submersible pump to drain your hot tub. You really have to do is set it down on the bottom of the hot tub, the lowest point, plug it in, and the water will start draining out. This option takes about 20 to 30 minutes, where the first option can take several hours. So this, if you're short on time, is definitely the way to go. As Brooklyn's so kindly pointing out to Derek, he clearly missed a couple spots. Not to worry, this is very normal. Take your wet shop vac and go ahead and suck out the seats. If you don't have one handy, that's okay. Just try to pull as much water in the center as possible so the pump or the drain can pick it up. But I highly recommend getting a shop vac to help you get the extra water and dirt out of the bottom of your hot tub. My sister Brooklyn's hot tub has definitely seen better days. It has nasty scum line around the top, so let's watch as she cleans off the nastiness. She's going to be using our handy dandy AquaCare cleaning mitts that come in a 4-pack, linked in the bio. You open up the pack, take one out, and it makes it super easy to scrub down your hot tub without all the fuss. Sheesh, that's nasty, but you know what? We've seen it all. Brooklyn's putting her elbow grease into this to get that nasty scum line off. You can also clean down on the seats and the foot area, the whole shebang. Give it a good scrub. Now you can give it a good rinse one more time, especially if you did a spa purge before this. It's good to spray off the inside in case you have any residual biofilm or nastiness hanging out. Let's just go ahead and rinse that out, shop vac it one more time, and we're good to go. Now for good measure, let's go ahead and use our handy dandy wet shop vac one more time to pick up the rest of the water left in the hot tub from spraying it out and cleaning it. I don't know about you, but that is a good looking tub. Now, when you refill, make sure to stick your hose as far down the filter compartment as possible. If you fill it just by filling the center of the hot tub, you could possibly get an airlock, and it may require a service call. Gorgeous. Now that your hot tub's full, go ahead and power it on and let the fun begin. Let it heat up, get your chemicals balanced, which we'll walk through in another video, and enjoy your soak. And pretty please don't forget to hit subscribe to help more people like you find us to help them with their hot tubs. Thank you so much for watching.